Hi, I'm James. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install an Aqualisa rail kit. The outlet pipework should be projecting 15 to 22mm from the finished wall surface. Fit the spacer and gripper ring onto the projecting pipe. Ensuring the locking screw hole is positioned at the bottom, place the wall outlet mounting plate onto the pipe assembly and mark and prepare the fixing points. Ensuring the locking screw hole is positioned at the bottom, secure the wall mounting plate to the wall using the screws provided. Ensuring the O-ring is in the correct position on the mounting plate spigot, place the wall outlet onto the mounting plate in the 5 o'clock position and rotate clockwise until a stop is reached. Refit the locking screw, taking care not to over tighten. When commissioning any shower, flush water through outlets before connecting hose or heads. Offer up the shower rail kit. Drill and prepare the bottom fixing points using the fixings provided. Align the small hole in the rail with the bottom rail and fixing point, and attach the rail with the bottom bracket. Mark, drill, and prepare the top fixing point using the fixings provided. Remove the bottom bracket, pass the rail through the handset holder while keeping the slider lever depressed. Ensure the handset holder is in the correct orientation. Slide the gel hook onto the rail under the handset holder. Slide the rail assembly up through the top rail end bracket. Place the rail end caps into the rail ends and push firmly into position. To attach the handset to the hose, disengage the pivot clip from the bottom of the handset by pressing the tab and pulling the pivot hose connector clear. Ensure the hose washer is in the correct position and screw the pivot hose connector into the hose. Only do this hand tight. Reinsert the pivot hose connector into the handset and push the tab to lock into position. Pass the hose through the gel hanger. Insert the handset into the pinch grip slider. The longer conical connection attaches to the shower head and the shorter connection to the outlet.